Growing your connections and standing out with a silver badge. Now that your profile is ready, the next step is getting people to connect with you. In this lesson, I'll show you how users find cyber friends and how to make sure they find you. How people find you. Most people search using keywords like career advice, language practice, or good listener. That's why having a well-filled-out profile is so important. Use clear, relevant keywords in your bio. Choose interests that reflect your strengths. Stay active. Log in often to boost your search ranking. Want to get found even faster? Here's the truth. Thousands of profiles exist, but silver badge holders stand out in a big way. Appear 25 times more often in search results. Get a custom profile link you can share. Show off a photo gallery. Receive priority support from our team. If you're serious about growing fast, the silver badge gives you a major edge. Promote yourself. Don't just wait for people to find you. Go where they are. Share your unique profile link on TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Post a reel or story about what you offer. Need a chat? I'm available for real conversations that matter. Use hashtags like CyberFriend, Talk to Me, RentACyberFriend. Ask for reviews. One simple thing that really boosts your visibility? Positive reviews. After a great chat, don't hesitate to ask. Say, if you enjoyed our talk, a review would mean a lot. Keep your profile fresh, show up consistently, and promote yourself with confidence. And if you're ready to level up, the silver badge is your shortcut to getting seen and getting booked. Let's move on and learn how to make every conversation count.